Want to use Claude Code for free without paying for a subscription or API usage? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude Code to your own local language model using Ollama. That means it runs directly on your system. Let's set it up. First, this is Ollama. Ollama is a simple tool that lets you run AI models locally on your laptop or PC. So instead of sending every request to a paid cloud API, you can download a model, run it on your own machine. I'm downloading Ollama once and run it on your own machine. I'm downloading Ollama for Windows and installing it. Once installed, Ollama gives access to launch options and local chat models. Now let's go back to the Ollama website and look at the available models. You'll find newer models like Gemma 4, along with many other open models in different sizes. For this setup, I'm using Qwen 3.59 billion parameter model. It is much lighter than very large models and still useful for local coding tasks. Now I copy the install command for Qwen 3.59b. Then I open the command line, paste the command, and run it. This starts downloading the model locally. Depending on your internet speed, this can take a few minutes, but once it finishes, the model is ready to use on your system. Next, open the Claude Code documentation page. It provides installation commands based on your operating system. I copy the Windows command line install command, then I run it in the terminal. In a few seconds, Claude Code is installed successfully. Now comes the interesting part. I open a new command line and run Ollama launch Claude. This shows the list of models that Claude Code can run on. If a model is not already available locally, Ollama can download it. And in this list, you can see the Qwen 3.5 model that we already downloaded. I select that model and continue. Claude then asks for permission to work inside the folder. I select yes, hit enter, and that's it. Claude Code is now open and running on my local setup. Free to use without cloud API restrictions. You too can set up following the same process on your PC. If Claude does not launch properly, the most common reason is a missing path environment variable pointing to the Claude installation path. And that's it. Happy coding!